This is Dr. Akshay Rathi, mentor of OrthoTrain, empowering clinicians since 2005. Today, I am going to speak to you about the figure of 8 ligation in orthodontics. The figure of 8 ligation is a very effective tool in the hands of the operator to maintain the sagittal or the mesiodistal positions of the teeth, prevent any space opening, and to increase the anchorage. This is a passive tool. That means it does not exert any pressure per se like an elastic chain, but it is a very useful tool which every operator should make use of while doing any ortho case and especially while planning anchorage. Let me start with the first case study today. It's a class 1 case of crowding which requires a non-extraction treatment. And this is how the case presented. And you can appreciate the midline diastema, high frenal attachment, and the canine, which is the last tooth to erupt, being pushed buccally outside. It was a class 1 case, and as you can see from these pictures, we do not need any movement from 1 1 till 1 6. So what we do in this case is that after bonding, we tie these teeth together with a figure of 8 lace back. This lace back is usually made in a 0.010 dead soft stainless steel arch wire. The lace back is followed by modules placed on the arch wire. The advantage of first placing the lace back and then placing the arch wire and then the modules is that the lace back need not be placed again before each arch wire. It stays there in place and you can go about changing the arch wires in the sequence. On the other side, let me demonstrate to you the use of an open coil spring. This is a NiTi open coil spring which I have inserted with the 14 NiTi arch wire, and this is the activated position which will help to mesialize the 1 and 2 of the second quadrant and make space for the canine to come down. On the lingual aspect, I have demonstrated the use of lingual buttons and an elastic chain to correct the derotation, to do the derotation of the rotated premolar. The arch wire should be cinched behind so that it does not cause mucosal irritation and patient complaints. So this is how the patient is sent and the various components are active. Let me enumerate the components for you. This is the ligature module or O-ring or O-tie, the lingual button or the bondable button which was preformed, the elastic chain tying the two buttons together to bring about the derotation of the first premolar, an open coil spring to mesialize the central and lateral of the second quadrant towards the diastema, the bondable molar tubes which have more or less replaced the molar bands in my practice, and the brackets which hold and transmit this entire system of force to the teeth. The first arch wire in most cases is 14 NiTi. If the crowding would have been more severe, I would have used a 12 NiTi arch wire. So this is the use of the figure of 8 ligation. Let me demonstrate to you with another case of an impacted right maxillary canine which requires surgical exposure after removal of the deciduous teeth. The pre-treatment pictures, and note here that we don't need any movements majorly between the 2 of the first quadrant till the 6 of the second quadrant. So we don't need any comparative movements in this space as well as we don't need movements in this space. So we can tie these two things together with the help of a ligature wire. Here I have showed you the other option which is a twisted wire ligation. Same thing, the lace back or this ligation works as anchorage, prevents mesiodistal movements and helps you save time. Thank you. This is Dr. Akshay Rathi signing off from this video.